Here is your AI briefing for August 19, 2026, with 12 stories. Story 1. Frontier model cost and open weight's popularity is driving demand for model routing. Glean CEO Arvind Jain says organizations increasingly use model routing to cut inference costs, powered by scaled human feedback loops that continuously retrain routing decisions across model options. This strategy shifts budget allocation from premium API usage to cheaper, locally hosted open weights models while maintaining performance benchmarks through continuous optimization. Glean sells shovels to AI gold miners. Model routing cuts inference costs, but turns human feedback into a scalable, unsung labor bottleneck for the platform. Story 2. Pacing model development in an era of cyber-critical capabilities. OpenAI is tightening monitoring, alignment, and security guardrails for frontier AI models, which slows unsafe capability releases by enforcing staged evaluation as cyber-critical requests scale. These delays create supply chain bottlenecks for enterprises relying on cutting-edge capabilities, forcing them to adopt older, less efficient models for critical operations. OpenAI's slowed release cycle is a marketing pivot for safety theater, leaving researchers to guess which cyber capabilities actually matter. Story 3. We still don't know how people are really using AI. Stanford researchers argue Anthropic and OpenAI's usage reports can't be independently verified, limiting insight into real-world behavior of Claude and ChatGPT and potentially skewing AI safety research. Anthropic and OpenAI treat their usage reports as PR assets, leaving safety researchers to guess the real risks while holding the only key to the data. Story 4. Cursor capitalizes on GitHub frustration, launches rival hosting platform. Cursor plans to launch an AI-first code hosting platform to offset developers' frustration with GitHub workflows, positioning itself as a direct rival to support faster coding and repository management. Cursor bets its reputation on a feature GitHub already has, hoping workflow friction alone will migrate teams to a hosting service built by an editor vendor. Story 5. Tesla is finally launching the Cybercab. Let's hope it's ready. Tesla is planning a public debut of its two-seat Cybercab soon, but regulators and customers may face delays if the no-steering wheel, no-pedal autonomous design isn't road-ready, per the information. Tesla launches a steering wheel-less ghost car despite regulatory chaos, betting the market values Musk's ego over actual road safety. Story 6. Seismic completes merger with HighSpot to create a new leader in go-to-market performance. Seismic completed its merger with HighSpot under Rob Tarkoff, now serving 2,500 customers with 3.5 million sales, marketing, and enablement users using combined AI agents, performance insights, and content governance. Seismic and HighSpot's merger creates a bloated GTM monolith, betting that bigger sales tools equal better revenue. Story 7. Arise launches Halo, an AI data ops capability for enterprise AI. Arise launched Halo to connect credentialed experts with enterprise AI teams for AI evaluation and RLHF, enabling human-in-the-loop safety workflows at scale via managed expert feedback channels. Arise Halo monetizes the human cost of AI safety, outsourcing RLHF headaches to credentialed contractors. Story 8. Perplexity's free AI offer left it with millions more users in India. After Airtel's new user-free offer ended in India, Perplexity's revenue reportedly jumped 60% while overall downloads fell, implying higher monetization from remaining users. Perplexity's 60% revenue surge post-free tier proves the Indian audience values utility over gratis, leaving competitors with churned users and empty wallets. Story 9. Commvault advances AI and cloud application resilience with expanded Cloud Rewind coverage. Commvault expanded Cloud Rewind coverage for Microsoft Azure, adding more resource types to better protect configuration backups and speed full recovery of cloud-native AI applications after cyber attacks or outages. Commvault's Azure expansion acknowledges that cloud-native resilience is the only way to survive inevitable AI-driven outages. Story 10. Microsoft Copilot reveals secret input that allowed it to be hacked. Microsoft says Copilot used a hidden input parameter that let attackers capture users' passwords via link clicks, prompting a security fix after the vulnerability was uncovered. Microsoft patched a hidden input flaw, proving that Copilot is just another surface for credential harvesting via malicious links. Story 11. Firefox's Smart Window promises a better AI browser. Starting today, Firefox Smart Window AI chats can fetch live web info and include EXA source links, while auto-suggesting tab groups and previewing prior visited pages from history. Firefox's Smart Window adds EXA links, finally admitting that AI summaries without source verification are hallucinations. Story 12. Okara launches the world's first AI CMO, a marketing agent that automates growth. Okara launched AI CMO V2, an automated marketing agent that runs SEO, GEO, and LinkedIn Reddit campaigns, plus influencer workflows, auto-paying end-to-end to accelerate founder growth cycles. An AI CMO that auto-pays influencers doesn't replace strategy. It just automates spend velocity, risking brand safety violations while founders pretend growth is solved by code. That is the briefing for today.